Creating a website with Wix is a straightforward process, and in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up a Wix website for free, step by step. Whether you're looking to create a blog, an online store, or just a portfolio, Wix offers all the tools you need to get started. Let's dive in. So, you've decided you want to create a website, and you've heard Wix is a good option. Well, you're in the right place. Wix is a popular website builder that allows you to build your own site without needing any coding knowledge. It's easy to use and offers plenty of customization options. The best part? You can get started for free, and there's no need to pull out your credit card at the beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a Wix account. Simply head over to Wix.com and click on Get Started. From there, you'll be prompted to sign up. You can use your Google or Facebook account to speed things up, or you can create a new account using your email address. Once you're signed up and logged in, you're ready to start building your website. Wix will ask you a few questions to help them tailor the website creation process to your needs. The questions will be about the type of website you want to create. Are you making a portfolio? An online store? A blog? Simply answer these questions, and Wix will use your answers to help you select the best template for your site. Don't worry if you don't know exactly what you want yet. You can skip this part and move on to selecting a template. The questions are designed to give you a better idea of what kind of website you want to build. After answering the initial questions about your website's purpose, Wix presents you with two options to proceed with chat or set up without chat. Wix ADI is an excellent choice if you need a quick and straightforward setup. It works by asking a series of specific questions about your preferences, business, or project. Based on your answers, Wix ADI will generate a clean, functional website for you in just minutes. While this is convenient, it offers limited customization, making it best suited for those looking for a simple and fast solution. On the other hand, the Wix editor is perfect if you want complete creative freedom. With this option, you can explore hundreds of professionally designed templates across categories like business, photography, blogs, and more. Each template is fully customizable, allowing you to modify every element, from fonts and colors to layout and functionality. If you prefer to use Wix ADI, it's a breeze. Answer a few additional questions about your site's features, such as contact forms or social media links, and the AI will assemble a ready-to-use site tailored to your needs. You can still make adjustments if needed, but it's designed to minimize effort. For those opting for the Wix editor, start by selecting a template that fits your vision. Once inside the editor, you can drag and drop elements, add multimedia, and incorporate interactive features like booking forms or live chat. The editor also allows you to optimize your design for both desktop and mobile devices. In this guide, we'll focus on building a site with the Wix editor to showcase its versatility. But if you're curious about Wix ADI, I'll also provide insights into its capabilities. Both tools are user-friendly and can help you create a professional website tailored to your goals. Wix has a massive library of templates, categorized by different types of websites. Whether you're creating a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or something else, you'll find a template that fits your needs. You can filter templates by categories such as business, photography, music, fashion, and more. To get started, click on Templates. You'll see pages upon pages of templates. You can either browse through the categories or simply search for something specific. Once you've found a template you like, hover your mouse over the template thumbnail, and you'll have the option to view or edit. Clicking View will give you a preview of the website. If you like what you see, click Edit to start customizing it. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll be taken to the Wix editor. This is where the fun begins. The Wix editor is a drag-and-drop interface, so you can easily add, remove, or change elements on the page. Incorporating content and refining your website in Wix is intuitive and versatile. Here's how to enhance your site by adding images, text, pages, and sections, as well as customizing the design. Start by clicking on any section you want to edit. If you are updating text, simply click into the text box and type your content. For images, click the Replace button to swap an existing one with your own. To add a new image, select the Add Plus button, choose Image, and upload a file from your computer or pick one from Wix's expansive media library, which includes free stock photos and videos. Wix provides a broad range of font styles, sizes, and color palettes to align with your branding or aesthetic. Adjust these settings individually or apply them site-wide for a cohesive look. Experiment with bold headings or playful colors to make your site more engaging. Need a portfolio, services, or testimonials page? Go to Menus and Pages in the left sidebar and click Add Page. Choose from pre-designed layouts or create one from scratch. You can also rename pages, set up navigation links, or rearrange their order in your site menu. To make your website more functional and interactive, add new sections like image galleries, pricing tables, FAQ lists, or a subscription form. Click Add in the menu, then choose the type of section. For example, you can integrate a social media feed to keep your audience updated or a testimonial slider to showcase customer feedback. Customize the page layout to fit your vision. Adjust the width of columns, resize and crop images, or reposition elements using the drag-and-drop interface. Rearrange sections to prioritize content or create visual balance. Use alignment tools and grid lines for a polished and professional design. Wix's flexibility ensures your site matches your goals, whether it is a sleek business site or a vibrant creative portfolio. These tools empower you to create a personalized and user-friendly experience for your audience. Wix comes with a variety of built-in features to make your website more functional and engaging. Depending on your goals, you can integrate specific elements to enhance your site's utility and appeal. Here's how you can make the most of Wix's features. If your website is focused on selling products or services, Wix offers a robust store builder. Add product pages to showcase your items, complete with images, descriptions, and pricing. Set up a user-friendly shopping cart and integrate multiple payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, to give customers a seamless shopping experience. You can also manage inventory, track orders, and run promotions. For those looking to share ideas or updates, Wix's blogging tool is perfect. Add a blog section to your site where you can create posts, insert images or videos, and format text with ease. Organize your posts into categories to improve navigation and set up an RSS feed to let readers subscribe and stay updated on new content. Building a connection with your visitors is easy with Wix's customizable contact forms. You can design forms to gather visitor inquiries, accept feedback, or even handle job applications. Add fields for names, emails, and messages, and receive responses directly in your inbox. Wix also offers templates for specialized forms, like surveys or event registrations. Make your website a hub for your online presence by linking your social media accounts. You can display an Instagram feed to showcase recent posts, add a live Twitter timeline, or include a Facebook-like button. Incorporating social media buttons lets visitors easily follow your accounts, encouraging more engagement across platforms. Wix lets you integrate booking features. Add a scheduling tool where clients can select services, book appointments, and even pay in advance. This is ideal for streamlining your operations and providing convenience for customers. Wix's built-in features are designed to make your website dynamic and user-friendly, whether it's for business, personal use, or creative projects. With these tools, you can tailor your site to meet your specific needs while maintaining a professional and polished appearance. Once you've customized your website and added all the necessary content, it's time to preview your site. Click the preview button at the top right of the editor to see how your site will look on desktop and mobile devices. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your website live. Wix will give you a free wixsite.com domain like yoursite.wixsite.com, but if you want a custom domain, like yoursite.com, you can upgrade to a premium plan. If you want to remove the Wix branding and get a more professional URL, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Wix offers several plans, and each comes with different features, such as the ability to connect a custom domain, remove ads, and access more storage. You can connect your own domain if you already own one, or you can purchase one directly through Wix. Once your website is live, you can still manage it easily. You can go back into the Wix editor at any time to make changes. Wix also offers an app that lets you manage your website on the go. From the app, you can track site traffic, update content, and respond to contact form submissions. If you don't want to customize a template yourself, you can use Wix's ADI to automatically generate a website for you. It's a simple process, and all you need to do is answer a few questions. To use ADI, click on Create New Website and choose Wix ADI. You'll be asked a series of questions about your website's purpose, design preferences, and features. Based on your answers, ADI will generate a website for you. Wix ADI will ask you questions like: what is the name of your website? What type of website are you building? Do you want to import information from another site? What features do you need? Once ADI has generated your website, you can review it. You'll get a basic layout with all the essential elements, like text, images, and buttons. You can make changes if you want, such as swapping images, editing text, or changing the color scheme. When you're happy with your site, click Publish to make it live. Again, you'll get a free wixsite.com domain, but you can upgrade for a custom domain if needed. Building a website on Wix is an easy and effective way to get your site up and running without needing to learn how to code. Whether you go with the ADI for simplicity, or use the Wix editor for complete control, you'll have a fully functional website in no time. And the best part? It's all free to start.